This 3 BHK flat at Orchid Heights Apartment, Thrissur exudes simplicity and elegance through a carefully curated design approach. Upon entering through the foyer, the living room immediately catches the eye with its textured wall, featuring subtle vein-like patterns that add depth and sophistication. The use of a cement texture on the TV unit wall, coupled with pastel tones, creates a striking yet balanced contrast. The common areas are bathed in light pastel hues, creating a calm and inviting ambiance. The kitchen embraces a clean and functional aesthetic with a sleek gray and white color palette. It is designed to fulfill basic functional requirements while maintaining a minimalist look. Each bedroom breaks away from conventional design norms, embracing bold contrasts that infuse energy into the space. The paint finishes and well-positioned photo frames serve as focal points, adding a personalized touch to each room. The combination of textures, contrasting hues, and strategic placement of artwork results in a harmonious blend of style and simplicity throughout the flat.